Yeah.
What's up, guys? Back on the 61 Lancia. Working on getting the rest of the harness out. Got this panel. The EFI fuse panel there.
Yep.
All the wiring.
He's been working like a crazy madman. Look at this.
Next would be pulling that whole harness towards the front.
Here, let me. I'm here. I'll give you a quickie hand getting this out of the way. No, we're still screwed. We'll have to take care of the other screw real quick.
Still got one more screw.
Yep.
But I'll get back to you guys in a few moments. What do you say, Scott?
Rolling.
What's up, guys?
No, we're not up. What's up? Scotty's up.
Scotty's up? Morning, Scotty.
No, I'm not.
Oh, God. Moving on. So, when Bernsey left off in the previous clip, he got all this shenanigans out. Now it's out here on the old bencharoo. We're going to need to probably make a new one of these because it got wet.
A little rotted there.
A little rotted, a little wet, a little nasty. Let's see. Oh, yeah. And now, your next project. Where are you at now, sir?
Next project's right in the cab. Working on getting this panel out.
All right, removing the rear panel.
So I can literally just slide
All that wiring straight out.
straight out this way. It's literally ran along here. So as soon as I get it here, then I'll be right back underneath the dash
All right,
and getting ready to pull it out.
let's continue on that.
Yes, sir.
Let's continue on that. We'll wait on the Merc. Do that instead.
Sounds good.
Yeah, because getting that all out is going to feel really nice.
You're telling me.
Yeah, and then we can be like, okay, here we are. Carry on, sir. Ooh, got the top down a little bit so we can get in here to finish fishing this wiring out. That's a lot of wiring, dude.
That is.
Yeah, well, see, that's EFI. It takes a lot of wiring.
Yes, it does.
So Scotty was just here. He actually just left. We were discussing where we're going to put the block and beginnings of the new harness. Whether we put it in the trunk where this one was, or if we put it under the dash where the OE one was. But, you know, we got to kind of get the this EFI brainstem, so to speak, out of here. And then we can... Ours is going to be lighter. It's going to have less wiring in it. Oh, man. He's fishing. Now, of course, we're trying to make it so we don't disassemble all of the interior because that's one-off stuff now.
Yep.
We don't want to...
Or trash it because we can't go to the junkyard and find a new one.
Yeah, you can't just go get
This
one.
gets sent
This
out.
is all custom made.
Costs between $3 to
Thousands of dollars.
exactly.
It's expensive. We want to keep it nice, so we're doing everything we can to not disturb things that are in place. Of course, the top's going to go back up once we're done pulling this out to keep stuff out of the car. Look at that. Golly. Getting all the wiring out. I was looking.
Okay, so
Look at all that.
this comes.
Did you figure out what one the lights on the are?
That's what I think that's this right here.
Gotcha.
That's why I haven't pulled on that.
Kind of
I'm trying to figure out what this is going to right now.
Because if we can leave the light wiring in place, then we can just put it on our new wiring, and then we'll be good to go. I'm gonna go look over here. Oh wow, there's no more really in the trunk. Oh man, I see that pink and black, but I don't see the other. There's wiring over here. All right, here's the light wiring here.
This is gonna be.
It's got a black, a pink, a yellow, a red, a blue. I think that's a brown. It's kind of dark in here, but I'm gonna wiggle it.
Yeah, that is the little harness I'm looking at right now.
Okay, perfect. So that's for the lights. So we'll leave that in because
This needs to come. Go. Wait, hold on. What's that too?
that goes here. That's this guy. Pull that out.
Okay, that's another black wire right
Yeah.
there. So the next thing is I'm probably gonna have to take the seat out. This is gently glued.
Yeah, I know the carpet's glued. So we have
So
to carefully get it up, probably.
and without
Screwing it up.
Yep.
So we can glue it back.
So yeah, the other wires are right here that you were pulling on right there.
All right, yeah, that's all
So
that's
that
all
I'm
the
leaving.
light wiring. So when we get into here and get this out, which we'll get the seat out next, and do that. The seat's gonna have to come out for us to wire the car anyway.
Yes, sir.
So we might as well just do it.
I did pull this trim piece off right here. It's right there. Screws for it are bagged right there.
Very nice.
Any other screws for these panels, I'll go ahead and screw back in for right now because we don't.
We don't need to mess with it now.
Nope.
Till we're putting running wiring back there.
Yes,
all right.
sir.
So pull the seat, and then we'll come back in once the seat's out.
Sounds good.